Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Validation Assistant while preparing a REACH registration. The Validation Assistant is a Euclid plugin which assists users in the preparation of a complete Euclid dossier. So let's start by first accessing the substance datasets from the Substance menu. Remember to always run the Validation Assistant on your Substance dataset while preparing it. You can easily do that by right-clicking on the Substance dataset and left-clicking on Validate. When we run the Validation Assistant on the Substance dataset, we need to specify some details. First, the submission type we want to submit later on. In this case, I will choose a standard requirement 1 to 10 ton REACH registration. If you are ready, just click Next. In this window, we can select the relevant options for our future submissions. These options are the same ones as when creating a dossier. I will only select phase in for this tutorial, but please be aware that the requirements might change depending on what options you select. So make sure you specify everything relevant for your future dossier. When done, just click Next. The validation report is displayed. From this window, please note the following things. The first column is the rule ID, then the Euclid section number, then the Euclid section name, then the document name, and one of the most important column is the message column. You can find information about your failure in here as well as on how to fix the failure. To fix the failures, you don't have to close the Validation Assistant. You can click on the Open Document in the Substance Dataset button, either displayed here in the top of the validation report or by right-clicking on the failure and left-clicking on the Open Document in the Substance Dataset. After correcting your failure, first save it by clicking on the Save button. Then you can click on the Unhide Validation Assistant button on the bottom right of the user interface in case it disappeared. Here you can click on the Recheck button. At the end, the Validation Assistant report should look like this. No failures, but please note two more things. One is to read the disclaimers displayed in the Validation Assistant. They tell you what these results actually mean. And two, the Quality Rules tab and the Quality Warnings. They help you to increase the overall quality of your dossier. After you created your dossier, it is essential that you run the Validation Assistant on the dossier too, because there are some rules that cannot be replicated on the Substance dataset.